Okay, because whenever we have to solve any question we have to apply some definition. Okay, whether that belongs to some lines, the concept of lines, and whether it belongs to the concept of angles. I have shared two videos with you all so far. In first video I have discussed the complete information or concept regarding lines, and in the second video we have studied uh, angles in detail. Even in this video we will study some more concepts that are I can say ki they are the advanced uh, concept or features of the angles. Okay, so we will start it with adjacent angles. What is the meaning of adjacent? Adjacent means just neighborhood, like neighbor. You all are having your neighbor. Okay, in school you have your neighbor class or something. Means the Hindi meaning of neighbor is padosi. Okay, so we will apply the concept of padosi in adjacent angles to make our topic easier. Okay, so suppose I have an angle. It is the initial ray and it is the terminated ray, and the positions of the ray, initial position of the ray is OA, and the terminated position of the ray is OB. Okay, and the amount of rotation between them is known as angle. Now what we will do, we will move the ray OB again at some distance. Suppose at some point the ray OB is at position C, right? And then this is the complete angle, and this is the amount of rotation between OB and OC. What I need to discuss with you all, this is the initial position of the ray, this is the terminated position of the ray OB. Okay, now I just rotate the ray OB again, and at some time it reach to the point C, right? So these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, these two angles follow some properties. Which kind of properties they are here? Angles are having common vertex. Vertex is known as point. Okay, here angle 1 and angle 2, they both are having a common vertex, common point, that is O. Second, one common ray, they are having one common ray. Which is the common ray that is working in both angle 1 as well as angle 2? That is OB. Okay, OB is the angle, OB is the ray which is a part of angle AOB as well as angle BOC. Okay, so one common ray, that is OB. Third point, non common ray are in opposite direction. Non common ray, in this diagram we have one common ray, that is OB. This is your common ray. If this is common ray, then what are the non common arms, non common rays? OA and OC. Non common rays are OA and OC. They are in opposite direction. Yes, OA is in this direction and OC is in this direction. They both are having opposite direction. If the two angles are fulfilling all these three properties, then we say that angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles, right? If these three properties are satisfied, holds good, then angle AOB or angle BOC can be declared as they are the adjacent angles. Okay, so to understand the concept of adjacent angles, what we need? We need a common vertex, number one property. This is the common vertex of this angle and this angle. One common ray. This is the common ray. If I name it A, B, C, D, then on first point common vertex is A, number second one common ray. One common ray is AC in this case. Okay, and number 3 point, non-common rays are in opposite direction. Non-common rays are AB and AD. They are in opposite direction. Therefore, we can say that angle BAC and angle CAD are adjacent angles. And I told you in simpler way you can understand the Hindi meaning of adjacent. Adjacent means जो साथ साथ होते हैं, nearby. Okay, it can be a good synonym of adjacent. Nearby angle, and nearby angle of this angle is this, and both angles follows these three properties which I have written here. That's why we can declare any angle whether they are adjacent angles or not adjacent angles. Now I am drawing some figures and you have to suggest me which are the adjacent angles and which are not the adjacent angles. Some examples. Example number 1. A, O, B, C, D, right? These are the rays or different positions of the ray. There are three angles. First angle is between ray OB and OC. Second angle is between ray OC and ray OD, that is this angle. And third angle is angle DOA, this one, between the rays OD and the ray OA. Okay, now I am asking a simple question whether angle 1 and angle 3 are adjacent or not. Angle 3 and angle 2 are adjacent or not. Angle 2 and angle 1 are adjacent or not. You have to reply me either yes or no according to this diagram. So what is your opinion? First of all, write down the answers in your notebook and then tell me. Okay, I will write the correct answers, but just find out the answers in your mind, or if you have your pencil, write down yes, no, 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 yes, yes, whatever you want, and then match your answers with me. Okay, first part is angle 1 and angle 3. 1 is here, 3 is here. Okay, angle 1 and angle 3 both are having common vertex O. Common ray OB. Angle 1 lies between OB and OC. Angle 3 lies between OA and OD. We don't have any common ray, so second property is not satisfied. Now move on to third property. Non-common rays are in opposite direction. It is also correct. So angle 1 and angle 3 doesn't follow the second property. Therefore, it is not, they angles BOC and angle DOA are not adjacent angles, right? Angle 3 and angle 2. Now applying these three properties on angle 3 and angle 2. Angle 3 and angle 2 both are having common vertex O. Both are having one common arm, that is OD, and non-common arms, non-common rays are in opposite direction. OA, OD, OC, all the rays are in opposite direction. So third property is also satisfied. So its answer will be yes. Angle 3 and angle 2 are adjacent to each other. They are adjacent angles. They fulfills all the three properties of adjacent angles. Now move on to angle 2 and angle 1. Angle 2 and angle 1. Both angles, angle 1 and angle 2, are having common vertex O. First property is satisfied. Second property, they should have one common ray. OC is the common ray of angles 1 and angle 2, and non-common rays are in opposite direction. Angle 1 and angle 2 has been formed with the help of three rays, OB, OC and OD, and all these three rays are having different directions, therefore it is also satisfied. So answer of the third part is also yes. So these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 2 and angle 3, these are adjacent to each other, but angle 1 and angle 3 are not adjacent to each other. To understand the concept of adjacent, we can follow one more concept, that is, there should not be any angle between the two given angles. मीन्स जिन दो एंगल्स को हम डिक्लेयर करना चाहते हैं या फाइंड करना चाहते हैं कि वो एडजेसेंट हैं या नहीं है, तो उन दोनों एंगल्स के बीच में कोई तीसरा एंगल नहीं आना चाहिए. इन फर्स्ट पार्ट एंगल 1 और एंगल 3, एंगल 1 और एंगल 3, एंगल 1 और एंगल 3 को चेक करने के लिए कि वो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स हैं या नहीं है, तो एंगल 1 और एंगल 3 के बीच में कोई और एंगल नहीं होना चाहिए. लेकिन इस डायग्राम में ये रेड कलर वाला एंगल आ रहा है, दैट इज एंगल नंबर 2. एंगल नंबर 2 लाइज बिटवीन द एंगल्स 1 एंड 3. तो इन दोनों के बीच में किसी और का घर आ गया है. देयरफॉर एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 3 आर नॉट पड़ोसी, दे आर नॉट नेबर्स, राइट. इन एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 2, 3 एंड एंगल 2, 3 और 2 के बीच में कोई तीसरा एंगल नहीं आ रहा है, देयरफॉर एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 3 आर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. सिमिलरली एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2, इन दोनों के बीच में कोई तीसरा घर नहीं है. एंगल 1 और एंगल 3 के बीच में एक दीवार है, जो वो दीवार है जो कॉमन है. सपोज वी हैव these three houses, okay, and we want to know which two houses are adjacent to each other. Adjacent means जो पड़ोसी हैं. This is house number 1, house number 2, house number 3. अब देखो हाउस नंबर 1 और 2, हाउस नंबर 1 और हाउस नंबर 2 के बीच में क्या कॉमन है? सिर्फ एक दीवार, ये वाली, ठीक है. तो एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 सॉरी हाउस 1 और हाउस 2 के बीच में कोई भी तीसरा हाउस नहीं है, इसलिए हाउस 1 और हाउस 2 कहते हैं पड़ोसी. दे आर एडजेसेंट टू ईच अदर. सिमिलरली हाउस 2 and house 3, there is no house between house number 2 and house number 3. There is only one common wall, okay. So we can declare that angle 2 house 1 and house 3, both houses are neighbors, both are adjacent to each other. But if we apply the concept on angle 1 and angle 3, means angle 1 and angle 3 here and house 1 and house 3 here, तो हाउस 1 और हाउस 3 के बीच में हाउस 2 आ गया है, और इस हाउस 2 के आने की वजह से अब हाउस 1 और हाउस 3 के बीच में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं रहा सिवाय इस हाउस नंबर 2 के, ओके. देयरफॉर हाउस 1 and हाउस 3 आर नॉट एडजेसेंट टू ईच अदर. 1 and 2 आर एडजेसेंट, 2 and 3 आर एडजेसेंट. So this is all about adjacent angles. Try to find some more examples which are adjacent to each other, and in our next video we will study the linear pair of angles. Thank you and have a nice day.